Happy?
Yep.
Yep.
So, a couple of things. Number one, we're not getting any hot water in the kitchen.
Okay.
For whatever reason, you get it in the bathroom, fine, at both the shower and the sink.
Okay.
But we're not getting hot water here. The
Garbage
garbage
disposal.
disposal doesn't work. And then this, it doesn't, I can't tell, maybe you could tell me if this is hooked up or not for
Sure
the
thing.
ice flow.
All right, let me take a look.
And then I'm trying to make sure that these are hooked up right before we use them.
Gotcha.
Yeah, that's what you want. Yeah. The back lever isn't one that you got to use at all, is it?
No, that's to shut off the incoming water into the heater.
Okay. So the only stuff to shut water off to the whole.
All right. You're happy?
I'm happy.
Take it further, we go further.
At the light.
Keep dealing with them.
You approve? All right. Beautiful. You said this is 1 year old?
Yeah, it's a year old.
All right, let me get some tools.
Yeah.
What's the antidote? Let me know when you start feeling.
Yeah, it's hard to find like plumbers and people you trust because